hacer video hoy,
Ok.
todo el día. No.
¿Deshebrada?
¿Deshebrada?
¿Está
¿Una?
rico? Sí, ya nada más queda uno. Ese lo preparé yo.
Ay, qué bueno que se quitaron los telecitos todos. Nomás les dejo los patos
No,
marcados.
no,
¿Yo no traigo tierra?
Jaspe con un burrito adentro. Pero es carne.
Today we're gonna be going to do some work on that 8-inch entryway. But right now we're at my parents' house. We're eating breakfast. Well, we just had breakfast, and yeah, I want to show you guys what East Texas looks like in December. I love East Texas in this time. I love and hate it. I love it because the trees remind me of Oregon. The trees and the scenery and the weather, the gloominess reminds me of like the West Coast. But I hate it because we have to work, and a lot of the times we can't work in this weather because of the rain. But if I was rich, I'd be in bed watching movies all day, ordering food from like New York and stuff like that. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now, and yeah, let's go. Hope you all enjoy this video. I can't tell you guys how much I love filming and making content and recording and stuff like that. You know, my gadgets. I miss my little brother.
Allá o acá, donde quieras. Deja nomás le doy el presupuesto al señor, pues si se anima. Ya los soldos, todo eso. Ah, ¿ya lo suelda? Ok. Ok, está bien. Dale nomás chance de que amontone un poquito. La traila, hay que echar el auger grandote, ese bueno sirve, ese chiquito no vale verga. La traila, ¿qué más? La mesa, necesita bajarla. Deja a un lado la higuera. Tanque de agua. Sí, allá está el tanque de agua a aquel lado.
Huh? What are you doing?
I gotta load the gooseneck up. Get everything in a mix of concrete. And load the skid steer. And
What
pipe.
are we doing exactly today?
You know, in Winsboro to install the 8-inch runner.
Brownsboro?
Winsboro. It's Brownsboro?
Brownsboro. This is what I mean by the trees changing colors here. Hopefully you guys can see just from this, but it reminds me a lot of Seattle, the West Coast. These trees right here.
Good morning. What's up? How are y'all doing today? How do it look? I want to go eat breakfast like this. What do you think about the new car? Isn't it cute?
I like it. I like the black better.
I like the black better than the white, honestly. What's up, guys? How you doing, bro? What's
Morning.
out here?
Just a
Bro,
tree.
what are you up to?
Chill.
I bought you a pancake and some potatoes. Logan and I went to First Wash because I had to woke us up at 7 in the fucking morning. Because I told her we were going to go eat breakfast tomorrow. And then she held me to it. Goddamn. She don't call me.
Did she take you with you?
No. She was like, never mind, your dad bought breakfast. But Logan and I were already on the way. So Logan and I ended up getting breakfast. Anyway. And then we came back over here. So later, Yahya and I will go get lunch. But I don't know about that. I got shit to do. We have lunch.
3 different things going on right now.
Huh?
We have like 3 different things going on right now. You welding this. My dad over there filling up the water tank. And then these guys. Cutting the tree down.
The rod, these rods ain't with the float.
Huh? Hey, pay my phone bill.
We gotta be covering your expenses nowadays. I live in Cali.
What?
Going up today. Is this over here? Oh, sorry, right there? Buddy. $850 per day. That's crazy. We need it for maybe an hour. Still $850. thing's big. Yeah, I'm about to have that. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Oh, espérate, no.
Guys, I wish I could show y'all the look on the people's faces when they drive by. Everybody just stares. That's pretty cool. Cause we built this.
Hey, ya por fin le quedó bien. Es la última.
Man, coming along good. I tackled this side. The holes, I'm not gonna lie, the gaps on this side were kind of big, so I welded them up. I try to make them look as pretty as possible, but tomorrow we're gonna come back and finish it out. Right now we're welding everything shut, and then tomorrow will be the details and the finished product, you know, the weld out. Look at this. Yeah. Everybody that passes by, every car that passes by, will be driving, and they look over. So it's pretty cool. I like it. Came out good. Came out really good. But all right, yeah, I think it's like 4 o'clock. It's 4:19. I don't think we're gonna call it quits until probably 5. Start rolling up around 5. It gets dark anyway, so we can't do a whole lot. But like I said, we got a lot done today. So this is what we got done today. We stood this up and we welded all the rails. By the time we leave here today, all the welds over there on the other side will be sealed. I don't know how pretty they're gonna look, but tomorrow that's all we're coming, and we're gonna buff everything, clean it up, and make it look pretty, finish it off. And then we still gotta do all this pipe fence from here all the way over there. I think we're doing that side, I'm not sure. And then we still have to do the gate. But how that side, look at it. Dark. Alright. How's it feel to not have a helper?
Fucking suck. But you know what's better? That I'm putting overtime for my own self now.
You got a swag going on, baby. Yes, sir. Hell yeah.
And I get to go home in my own bed.
It's still kind of early. About to be 5. Todo el scrap. ¿Cómo se le quedó viendo a la gente? Got any famous last words for the day?
Not really. I need some Carmex. My lips were chopped.
What about your ass? You don't have swamp ass? No. I have swamp ass, really.
I don't have swamp ass because I shaved my asshole.
Squeaky clean?
Yep. That's it. I do need a help, bro.
Let's go. Let's go home, baby. Oh, he's still not done. Damn. Vámonos, pa. Yeah, I didn't bring a beanie today. So my hair is kind of all burnt up and I had to wear a hoodie. Hector was like, what kind of welder comes to weld with no gear? But that's it for the day. I'm telling y'all, this thing is breaking some necks. Like, people are loving it. I guess it's because it's so big, I don't know. But I'm about to go home with my dad because he's old.